Okay, I'm gonna go over a couple of these problems with you to help you make sure you're on the right track for your homework tonight. Number one, we kind of started, and hopefully you plugged in. Most of you, I was trying to get you to show the substitution with parentheses and plugging in the expression for y, which was the negative 4x plus 8 for y, and we're using parentheses to substitute it in. So when you continue this, you have to distribute. Hopefully you have your 5x plus, no, sorry, 5x minus 8x, then plus 16 equals 7. You need to combine like terms here. So you're left with a negative 3x plus 16 equals 7, and then you're solving for x. So once you get the x, you need to plug it in for y. So the answer for this, to get to it, is there is an order pair here. The x comes out to be, comes out to be 3, and your y should be a negative 4 when you plug it back in. All right. Now, on number 2 of equation A versus equation B, the second equation, of the two that you should be solving, or choosing and solving for which variable, it should be B, and solving for x would be the easier one. And to do that, you have to say minus 6y to get the x term isolated. You cancel here and you just rewrite. So this is x equals a negative 6y plus 18, x equals negative 6y plus 18. We're taking this now and plugging it back into equation A for the x, okay? So when we plug in, we use parentheses to show that plugging in or showing that substitution. So I'm going to write equation A, which is 2x minus 3y. You don't have to do that. You can go straight to the parentheses, which means I'm substituting here for the x. That means 2 parentheses there, minus 3y equals negative 24. And inside the parentheses should be minus 6y plus 18. Let me fix that, make that better. Minus a negative 6y plus 18. All right, so we're going to now distribute the 2 and then solve for y. So distribute and then combine your like terms. This becomes a negative 12y plus 36 minus 3y equals negative 24. When you combine these, they're both negative, so you end up with a negative 15y plus 36 equals negative 24. Let's see if you can get to the rest of this problem. Solve for y, and then don't forget to plug it back in for x. We have to use substitution twice. Now on 3, the y term is already isolated in equation A, so I'm already going to just take this expression and plug it in for y at the bottom here. So when I rewrite this, this will be 2x minus parentheses, 2x minus parentheses 2x plus 1 equals 3. And then remember, this negative or this minus sign is like an invisible negative 1 that you're going to distribute. This is one of those special cases that you had at the end of your ed puzzle the other night. So go back to your notes to look at numbers 9 and 10 for your special cases. Then on number 4 here, I would choose A, the first equation, or actually you could choose B. So this is A, this is B. It doesn't matter, just choose one of them to solve for an X or a Y. If I choose A, let me fix that. Then I should be solving for X. If I choose B, then I should be solving for Y. So I do want you to try to work this one all the way out yourself. If you're doing your work, you should end up with an answer of 4, 14. Okay, so check your work, see if you can get to that. And I will check this tomorrow in class, and then we're going to go on to a new method. Thank you for taking care of this.